What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to download and install Roblox Mobile on your Windows PC or Mac OS. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. There are different programs you can use to install Roblox Mobile on your PC, and I recommend using the BlueStacks emulator, which can run on Windows, Mac or Linux. Navigate to BlueStacks.com and from here, make sure to download the BlueStacks 5 setup installer to your system. This should only take a second to complete, and you can then follow the install wizard to install the application to your system. After the installation is complete, BlueStacks should open up automatically. From here, you can proceed to open up the Play Store and look up Roblox. If this is your first time using this program, then you're required to log in to your Google account. If you previously used Roblox on an Android device, then simply log in to the same Google account, and you should have access to all of your recently installed free and paid apps. After logging in, you can proceed to download the free application, which should only take a couple of seconds to complete. After the installation is done, you can simply open up Roblox from your home screen. You will have to log in with your current Roblox account to get access to your game progress and avatar. When this is done, you should take a quick look at your Roblox settings to reduce potential lag on your PC. To get the most out of Roblox Mobile on your PC, you should take a quick look at your BlueStacks settings. Click on the gear icon on the bottom right to access your settings. Here, in the performance section, make sure to allocate the highest amount of CPU cores you have available. In most cases, this should be 4 or 8 cores. Your memory allocation will determine how much RAM you allow Roblox Mobile to use. In most cases, you will not need to allocate more than 2 GB of RAM to be utilized by the game. If you have 8 or 16 GB, then allocate 4 GB for BlueStacks to use while it's running. You can also use a custom value. For example, when using a PC with only 2 GB of RAM, then you can set this to 1600 MB for example. In case you're unsure about how much RAM you can allocate for BlueStacks to use, then open up your task manager. Here, in the Performance tab, make sure that you're in the Memory section to see how much RAM you're currently using and how much you might have available. Don't be discouraged when you see that over half of your memory is being used while Windows is in idle. This is normal, as some of the Windows features are stored in your memory at all times, but can be reduced when it's needed by an application such as BlueStacks. In my case, I have access to 16 GB of physical memory, 6 of which I can easily allocate to BlueStacks, as I don't use other applications while BlueStacks is running. Back in your BlueStacks performance settings, make sure to set the performance mode to high performance. Your frame rate should be set to at least 60 when intending to play Roblox Mobile in 60 FPS or more. In your display settings, set the display resolution option to landscape, and then choose a resolution in which you want to play Roblox Mobile. 1920 by 1080 is the default value when using BlueStacks, but you have the option to reduce or increase your resolution depending on which monitor you are using. In the Graphics section, set the Graphics Engine mode to Performance Legacy mode. Below, make sure to enable the GPU in use option in order to allow BlueStacks to use your graphics processor to help run the game on your PC. You can then exit out of your settings and start joining Roblox mobile experiences on your PC. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.